How to turn off friend suggestions on Facebook. Are you tired of Facebook constantly suggesting people you might know? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off friend suggestions on Facebook using your Android or iPhone. Let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon in the top right on Android or bottom right on iPhone corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then, tap Settings to access your account settings. Under the Preferences section, find and tap Notifications. This is where you can manage what notifications Facebook sends you. People you may know from the list. Scroll down and look for the People You May Know option. Tap it to customize your friend suggestion settings. Here, you can turn off friend suggestions by toggling off the options for push notifications, email, and SMS. This ensures Facebook won't notify you about suggested friends anymore. And that's all it takes to turn off friend suggestions on Facebook. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.